Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very first goodie box of 2022. Let's open the box up. We've got the non-resolution box. Oh, dear Lord, no. It's a damn QR code thing. I don't have my phone here, so I don't have a booklet. Consider this not having a booklet, guys. Okay, this is what the box looks like. So there's a lot of like really big stuff in here. So let's start off with the first one, which is from Ecooking. It's fragrance free. It is, oh, it's an intimate wash. Okay, very cool. I really enjoy, sounds so stupid when I say it, that I enjoy intimate washes, but I do, because I think it's so freaking important for us women. Well, men, of course, also, but I mean, we've got an oven in there, okay? And stuff kind of wants to come out every now and then. I just think that it is so freaking important for women, especially to keep it downstairs, you know, clean and hygienic. TMI, I know, but I wash mine daily. I hope everybody does that too. So this stuff is amazing. My personal favorite is the chili gel, but I am definitely gonna give this sucker a try. Guys, I don't have prices of these items. I'm sorry. Look it up online if you're really interested. Okay, let's move on to another really big item in here, which is from Skoon and Co Aroma. It is the Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. Okay, very, very cool. So this is what it looks like, and it looks so freaking gorgeous. It looks so beautiful, so big, so elegant. I really, really love this. It's made in Italy. It's 200 milliliters, so definitely a full size. Unfortunately, no price. Okay, moving on to argan oil from Just. Am I pronouncing this right? It is the Argan Marula Oil and Oil Shine Brightening Conditioner. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this is a conditioner. I cannot wait to try it out. I am actually just about finished with mine. I got like one more wash to go with my conditioner. So this is actually very handy. Definitely can't wait to play around with that. Okay, moving on to Skoon. Did I pronounce that right? Probably a Danish brand or something, because, yeah, DK Danish, I wanted to say. This is a repair, oh, it's a night cream. Okay, so it's double barrier function, improve microbiome, prevents dehydration, fensabiome peptide, okay, vitamin E and omega-6 and 9. This is, I'm assuming they meant omega, by the way, but I'm not really sure. This is what it looks like, and very excited to give this a try. My personal opinion, and y'all let me know down below what you think, but my personal opinion is that night creams are always better to receive than just daily moisturizers, because we already receive so many daily moisturizers as is. And when it comes to nighttime stuff, usually we don't really receive a lot, so I'm actually really happy to get night stuff. Okay guys, last item, and the box is empty. Last item is from Scent of the Day Hand Cream. Oh, from Tony Moly. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's got these like cute little dogs on it. It's very, very fun. But this is a quick and easy little hand cream, you know, for on the go. I could just plop this in my bag. Don't know the prices. Again, guys, that is it. Wow, I went through this box hella fast. But it's probably because we don't have the prices of these items mentioned. Unfortunately, we received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and they're this time they're like solid, good, big items. So I'm really happy with that. Still on the fence with Goodiebox about the whole price change. I mean, they went up in price for like 25%, and we don't receive anything extra for that 25%. So I'm still looking to justify the price, and I just can't for the love of me. So I would say everything in here could have been easily for the box, like the usual boxes we used to pay 20 bucks, and I feel like this could have been in a 20 bucks box. I don't know. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about all of these prices? No, all of these items and like the box in general, the first one of 2022. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!